still here in the center of the earth, and I can't believe all things we're seeing. Look, we just arrived to this amazing cavern, and next to it there's a mysterious river that is growing quite fast. Can you see the level? It scares me. If it keeps going up like that, the cave might flood. I need to fix this. I think we need to solve the following challenges related to the present simple and the present continuous. Yes, we'll find the solution, right? Let's look at the second text. Here we have it. And some blanks to complete with one of these words: finds, exploring, watching, illuminate, and fall. All right. Are you ready? Let's start. They are the caverns. Okay, see that? Look at are. The form of the verb to be is telling us we need an ing verb. And the only options we have are exploring and watching. Let's listen to how they sound. They are exploring the caverns and they are watching the caverns. So both are okay. But I think as the story is beginning, exploring suits better. They are exploring is my choice, am I right? Yes! And look at the water level is going down. Yes, yes, yes. Let's keep reading. Professor Lidenbrock. What's the missing word here? Okay, let me think. For sure a present simple form because we don't have any form of the verb to be. The options are finds, illuminate, and fall. All right, let's see how these three options sound in here. Professor Lidenbrock finds a rock. Professor Lidenbrock illuminates a rock. Professor Lidenbrock fall a rock. No. The only one that makes sense in here is the first one because Professor Lidenbrock points a personal pronoun he. So we need an S at the end of the verb for sure. And finds is the only one with the S. Am I right? Hey, great! But look what happened. Oh, the other two words just got in by themselves. Hey, the text is almost complete. Let's read it. Axel, intrigued, is watching the professor analyzes the symbols. The cave walls illuminate everything with a beautiful light. Nice! And suddenly, the ground trembles slightly, and we just have one missing word. And they fall into a hole that, wow!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural. La mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello friends, so this is one of the last activities we have to do about present simple and present continuous. So let's go first for the usage. The present simple are habits, facts, frequent situations, like I read books always. And the present continuous are things happening right now. I am reading, okay? I am reading books now. So about the form of the present simple. The verb is always in infinitive. We don't need to do anything. Just writing read. I read, you read, he reads. Remember with he and she, the S. You read, we read, and they read, okay? And now, for the present continuous, we put the form of the verb to be with the verb ending in ing. I am reading, you are reading, he, she is reading, you are reading, We are reading. Take your time. And they are reading. Okay? Yes? Go slow and write it. I am reading. You are reading. He and she is reading. You are reading. We are reading. And they are reading. Okay? And now we're going to complete this text. Let's read it. They are the caverns. Okay? They are exploring, right? Because we have the form of the verb to be. We have are. So if we have they are, it cannot be present simple. It has to be present continuous. So just the verbs ending in ing, right? We have two. So let's put they are exploring because it makes more sense for the beginning of the story. They are exploring the caverns. Professor Liedenbrock, a boy, Professor Liedenbrock. Yes, if it's he, the S. We have finds. Finds a rock. He finds a rock adorned with an ancient inscriptions. Axel intrigued is watching, right? I think it's watching. Is watching because it's the only other form that is telling us present continuous is coming here, okay? Alex, intrigued, is watching as the professor analyzes the hieroglyphs enthusiastically. The cave walls, okay, these are plural. I think it's illuminate everything with a beautiful light. Suddenly the ground trembles slightly, and they, the last one, fall into a hole that opens from the ground. Yes, good job.